over the world, men hunger to know God, and that's the reason you have all the religions of the world. Buddhism, Hinduism, Islam, all the religions of the world is man's search for God. But the Scripture says, by searching, you won't find God. God has already revealed himself. And it's reasonable for me to suppose that I, as an intelligent being, and God, an intelligent being, would somehow reveal himself to us as a human race. Our most atheistic scientists are beginning to say that something is back of the universe. There is some sort of order, and there must be some sort of intelligence. This intelligence, who orders and arranges and creates and made us, and down in our heart we hunger to know him. Has God revealed himself? He has revealed himself in nature. I look in a telescope and I know there's a God. I look through a microscope and I know there must be a God. And he's revealed